Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and studying at home. Myself, Pratima Gupta. I am your English teacher. So, today I am here with a new lesson of English language, class 4th, lesson 3, that is distributive adjectives. So, before going to tell you about distributive adjectives, let me tell you what is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Example: Jane is a clever girl. In this sentence, the word clever is an adjective and it describes Jane. So, any word that describes a noun or pronoun is called adjective, or in a simple way, you can say all the describing words are known as adjectives. So before going to tell you about distributive adjective, let me tell you or give you a revision of few kinds of adjective. First is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality answer the questions what kind of. It tells us the quality of a noun or pronoun. Or it answer the questions what kind of. Example: he is a brave person. In this sentence, the word brave is an adjective of quality. It tells us the quality of a pronoun he. Or also, the word brave gives the answer of the question what kind of person. Next is she has a beautiful voice. What kind of voice she has? Beautiful. So, the word beautiful is an adjective of quality. It tells us the quality of a pronoun she. Next is adjectives of quantity. It tells us the quantity of a thing, or it answers the questions how much. And it is generally used with uncountable noun that we cannot count. Example: I ate some rice. He has little intelligence. He showed much patience. He has lost all his wealth. So, in every sentence, the words some, little, much, all these words are adjectives of quantity. It tells us the quantity of a thing, of a noun, or it answers the questions how much. Next is adjective of number. It answers the questions how many. It tells us the certain amount of anything. Example: I have 10 fingers. I stood first in class. Few dogs are unhealthy. I wrote many letters to you. So we use adjective number with countable noun. So in every example, as you can see, the word 10, first, few, many, all these words are adjective of number. It answers the questions how many, at what position, or also I have used all these words before countable noun. So here I want to tell you about the difference between adjective of quantity and adjective of number. Adjective of quantity, it answers the question how much and used with uncountable noun. It doesn't tell you the exact quantity of anything. Adjective of number, it answers the question how many and used with countable noun that we can count, and it tells us the exact quantity of anything. Next is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective points out a particular person or thing, or it answers the question which. Example: these mangoes are tasty. Which mangoes are tasty? These. So the word these tell us about the mangoes, that which mangoes we are talking about in this sentence. So the word these is a demonstrative adjective. Next is those books are very interesting. Which books are very interesting? Those. So the word those we have used in this sentence to point out the books, that which books we are talking about. So in this sentence the word those is a demonstrative adjective. So when we use demonstrative word to point out anything, or when it answer the question which, that will be a demonstrative adjective. Let's see few more examples of demonstrative adjective. I want those gorgeous marbles. This car is mine. These clothes are wet. That house is old but solid. So in every sentence the word those, this, these, that, we have used all these words to point out, and also all these words followed by a noun. Next is possessive adjectives. An adjective showing possession or belonging is called a possessive adjective. Possessive, the word possessive means to show ownership, or to tell us the things belongs to whom, and also it answers the question whose. As example, this is my water bottle. Whose water bottle? My water bottle. His coat got wet in the rain. Whose coat? His coat. So the word my and his are possessive adjective. It tells us the things belongs to whom, or also it answers the question whose. Let's see few more examples of possessive adjective. My car is bigger than her car. His book is red. They lent me their book. This is your pen. So the word my, her, his, their, your, all these words are possessive adjective. It answers the questions whose, and also it tells us the things belongs to whom. And as you can see in every example, I have used all these words before noun. So generally we use adjective before noun. So whenever we will use all these possessive words before noun, that will be a possessive adjective. Next is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are words such as which, whose, and what that are used along with nouns to ask questions. It means the word interrogative means to ask questions. So whenever we use interrogative words before noun to ask questions, that will be an interrogative adjective. As example, which plants should be watered twice a week? What book are you reading? In both the sentences, we have used interrogative words, that is which and what, before noun, that is plants and book, to ask questions. So in both the sentences, the word which and what, both the words are interrogative adjectives. So whenever we use interrogative words before noun to ask questions, that will be a interrogative adjectives. Next is distributive adjectives. An adjective which is used to refer each and every person or things separately or describe a specific member out of a group is called distributive adjective. It means when we refer to an individual thing or person among many, that will be a distributive adjective. So there are certain words that we use to refer to distributive adjectives. They are each, every, neither, other, any, one, both, etc. Let's see the examples in a sentence. Each girl will get a chocolate. He used to call me every day. Neither of you are allowed in this class. I can't do it either. I don't want your any advice. So the word each, every, neither, either, any, all these words are distributive adjective. It refers to an individual thing or person among many. So I hope students you might understood this chapter. If anyone has any problem, they can ask. when I will take online class. So during the online class you can clear your doubts, but before asking questions, just go through the video, listen it carefully, and also read your chapters, whatever is given in your chapters, because when you will use each, when you will use every, neither, either, everything is clearly mentioned in your book. How you will use in your sentence, how can you make sentences by using each, every, neither, either, all these words. So after watching this video, just try to make sentences of every kind of adjective, so it will clear your doubts and it will help you to understand this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.